Alright, so get over here. Let's see. This one come off. Yeah, let me move this out of the way. Alright, so here's what we got. Down here, that's your T right there. That's your T right there. That's your main. This is your main line, the original line right there. Right here.
Yep.
And it comes down here. This support right there. And that T right there on the bottom, that's the one you need to see. Can you see it on the?
Yeah.
See how it's got teed off right there in the tank. Two lines. You got the original line right there. This right here.
Yep.
And then you get a T right there. That tees off. Tees off. This is the line right here coming out. And then it goes to the pump. Okay. And then from the pump comes in here to another T right here before the filter. And then that T tees off to the tank right there. So I don't think you see it.
Yep.
I don't think we're building up pressure because it's just going
in circles.
Going in circles, yeah. It's just not building up pressure right there. That's it. Just keep going back and forth right there. Two T's. This should have been one line from the filter to the pump to the tank. Only one line. And obviously you need a check valve in there so you don't lose your prime. That's a check valve right there. But still with the pump doing this, the check valve is doing that same thing, so it's not gonna keep the pressure. It's just not gonna build up.